The Hong Kong Institute of Construction, HKIC, continues to support and encourage non-Chinese speakers and ethnic minorities to join the construction industry. If you are looking for more career options and exploring a new career path, join the construction industry for a better future. HKIC offers 5 short-term programs taught in English. They are the Certificate in Metal Scaffolding, Certificate in Welding, Certificate in Plumbing and Pipe Fitting, Certificate in Drainlaying, and Certificate for Ground Investigation Assistant. The duration for the 5 certificate programs ranges from 26 to 85 days. All programs' content are recognised by the industry with professional qualifications. You can enrol as long as you meet the following basic admission requirements: aged 18 or above and able to communicate in English, and applicants should be Hong Kong legal residents and are permitted to stay and work in Hong Kong. The programs are practical and tuition-free. Allowance will be provided according to students' attendance and employment status. Upon program completion, HKIC also provides career support to help students join the industry. If you are interested, please visit the HKIC website. Click Programs and Admissions and then click Programs for Non-Chinese Speaker. Here, you can choose your interested program, for example, Certificate in Welding, English. Click Apply Now, then fill in the required information and submit your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email. Following that, our staff will contact you to schedule an interview and share further enrolment details. The entire application process is indeed very simple. We look forward to seeing you at HKIC. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so they can join the construction industry together.